In this video, I'll show you how to highlight only the weekends in a Google Sheets calendar. In one of my previous tutorials, I showed you how to create this dynamic calendar. I'll leave the link in the description. Today, we'll make it even better by giving weekends a different style. First, select the entire calendar range. Go to Format, then Conditional Formatting. Create a new rule. From the drop-down menu, choose Custom Formula Is. Type the weekday function. The first argument is D3. This is the first date in the calendar. For the second argument, enter 2. This makes Monday day 1. Close the parentheses and type greater than 5. Since Saturday and Sunday are now days 6 and 7, only weekends will be highlighted. Choose any formatting you like. I'll use a light gray background and a lighter text color. Done. Let's test it. If I choose a different start date, the weekends are still highlighted correctly. I'll choose another date, and everything still works perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching.